We just doing the work, family. We just doing the work. Marcus Garvey Academy, we doing the work, family. Talk is cheap. You got to build results. Talk is cheap. You got to build results, family. Talk is cheap. It's all about the results. Live and direct. Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Spring is here. We're trying to get the renovations together. Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy, family. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. We building. We nation building, brothers and sisters. We nation building. This is the Marcus Garvey Elementary School. We nation building. This is the Marcus Garvey Elementary School. We nation building, family. We nation building. It's not a hustle, it's a struggle. It's not a hustle, it's a struggle. It's time for me to start decorating my office. It's springtime. It's time for me to start decorating my office. It's time for me to start decorating my temporary office. It's time for me to start decorating my temporary office. It's time for me to start decorating the temporary office. Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit the PayPal, paypal.me/. It's the struggle, baby. It's all about the struggle. It's all about the struggle, fam. It's all about the struggle, fam. Nice hot day. Spring is here. It's about time to get ready for the FDMG Festival. It's about time to get ready for the FDMG Festival. It's about time to get ready for the FDMG Festival. Ifatunde Avenue, Dr. Boulevard, Saturday, September the 10th. You better be in the building. Ifatunde Avenue, Dr. Boulevard, Saturday, September the 10th. Be in the building, family. All right. We working. We working. We working, family. John Jacques Dessalines Nat Turner Gymnasium. We working. John Jacques Dessalines Nat Turner Gymnasium. We working. John Jacques Dessalines Nat Turner Gymnasium. We working, family. We working, family. I'm getting the gym ready. Dessalines Turner Gym. We getting it ready for the 3-on-3 FDMG Festival block party. 3-on-3 FDMG Festival block party, family. This is a struggle. This is not a hustle. This is activism, not capitalism, family. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's get the work done. Let's get the work done. Let's get the work done, family. Hit the Cash App. This is my temporary office. This is my temporary office. I need some ladies who are going to come decorate my temporary office. Where the ladies at with them decorating skills? Where the ladies at with the decorating skills? Where the ladies at with the decorating skills? We got to decorate the DrP.O.P.A office. I'm getting the office ready. I will be holding office hours this summer. I'm getting the office ready. I will be holding office hours this summer. Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit the PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. We not playing with y'all. We not playing with y'all. Y'all think it's a game in these streets. Y'all think it's a game in these streets. Y'all think it's a game in these streets. It's time to get that HVAC done. It's time to get that HVAC done. Where the queens at going to decorate the office for the king? Where the queens at who going to decorate the office for the king? We not playing with y'all. Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG school. That's the Frederick Douglass High School right there. That's the Frederick Douglass High School right there. I'm going to put a Last Supper. There's going to be a Last Supper painting, a Last Supper mural. I'm going to be Jesus with the 12 most prominent Pan-Africanists standing around me. I'm going to be Jesus with the 12 most prominent Pan-Africanists standing behind me. We're going to have a Last Supper right there on the biggest wall on the campus. The biggest wall on the campus. The most honorable Frederick Douglass High School wall. I'm going to have a Last Supper. I'm going to be sitting there as the Christ with the 12 most significant Pan-Africanists standing around me. If you paint murals, and if you got the skills to paint Garvey, and the skills to paint Douglas, and the skills to paint Tunde, and the skills to paint Jean-Jacques Dessalines, and the skills to paint Nat Turner, I need you to get at me. I'm talking murals. Volunteer work, dedication to the babies. I'm talking a mural. Volunteer work, dedication to the babies. Hit me up. 215-989-9858. 215-989-9858. This is the Nat Turner Jean-Jacques Dessalines Gymnasium. I need another mural. I'm going to do a black feminine Black female revolutionary mural. We're going to have Ida B. Wells, Harriet Tubman, Fannie Lou Hamer, Winnie Mandela. Oh, yes. We're going to get the art popping. They talk about the Harlem Renaissance. What about the Tunde Renaissance and the FDMG Renaissance? Hit the Cash App, $ FDMG school. Hit the PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. We not playing with y'all. We not playing, family. We not playing no more. I'm hungry. I got to go find something to eat. Let me see something. Big Papa hungry. I might got to hit up Drop Squad. I ain't been to Drop Squad in a minute. Shout out to Abundance. I might got to go get that Obatala shake. King Kong. Now, the fast is June 10th. We fast the Pan-African. Look at the sun right behind me, family. Look at the sun right behind me. I'm the son of the sun. Look at the sun over my head. Is y'all seeing that? I just told you the Black Christ. Are y'all seeing the sun over the... Y'all see that? Do y'all see the sun over the sun? Do y'all see the sun over the sun, family? Do y'all see the sun over the sun right now? Where the queens at who going to decorate the DR.UMAR office? I need a nice soft couch. For visitors and life coaching. I need a nice African desk, a nice African chair, some African pillows, some African artwork. Look at the sun over the sun. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Look at the sun over the sun. Do y'all see the sun over the sun? Leo season is on the way, family. Leo season will be here. Look at the sun over the sun. Oh, my goodness, right there. Look at the sun over the sun. Oh, somebody get that picture and send it to me. Can somebody please screenshot? Let me screenshot. I got to get this. With this right there. I got somebody screenshot that and text it to me. Somebody get the sun over the sun. Somebody get the SUN over the SON. Can somebody get the SUN over the SON? I'm in the building. Shout out to the Pisces. King Kong.
I love the spring. I love the summer. Lord have mercy. I love the spring. I love the summer. But we got to get back to revolution. We got to get back to revolution. We have to stop sabotaging our progress as a race. We have to stop sabotaging our progress as a race. We have to stop sabotaging. Look at the sun over the sun. Wait, I got to screenshot this. The sun. Let me get the sun over the sun one more time. Third eye all the way open. Over the sun. All praise to the Most High. All praises are due to the Most High. If you live in Pennsylvania, Northern Maryland, Jersey, I will be speaking at my good brother TJ's bookstore, the Black Reserve Bookstore, next Sunday. Not this Sunday, next Sunday. Not this Sunday, next Sunday, March the 27th. Black Reserve Bookstore, 319 West Main Street. Black Reserve Bookstore, 319 West Main Street. Black Reserve Bookstore, 319 West Main Street, Lansdale. That's Lansdale. Lansdale, Lansdale, PA. Sunday, March the 27th from 2 until 6. Doors at noon, totally free. I'm not going to no draft. I'm not doing no draft, family.